Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn about the objects looping. So let's start the tutorial. So here we are going to use for a loop to how we are going to loop that object. So let's check out. We go to my script. Let's remove all these things or we can just add it over here. Here we are using loop my object, right? So let's see what it's gonna printing. Reload this name, last name, age, course. So it's basically returning key and its value, right? So key, my object is this one that we are looping with key one. Here it will print key all of this, and if we pass my object with the key, it will returns its value. So key and the value. So whatever you can object, you can use it, right? So next step we are going to looping, that is using the suppose we can use object keys method to loop through the object. So let's start this. We can use loop object keys methods basically get all the keys, right? So let's run this and comment this. So with the key and the value, right? So it will add index, key and its value. So this is that this will return the index key and the value object keys method, right? Next move to the next method that we have using object values method to loop through the object. Object values returns the values of the object. Okay, so let's make it where we have used keys, we will use object values, or directly we can copy this and paste this. If we want only the values, we can use this one. Let's reload this. We will get only values and we can manipulate it accordingly. If you just make it only we want values, some cases we need only values and we need to push it in some of the array, so we can use this one object values. So we can use this to loop it of the values, and if you want any of the key with the value, we can use this one. If you want index, key and the value, we can use this one. So these are the three options that we can use to loop an object and get the necessary desired value from it, right? So we have for loop, we have object.keys method, we have object.values method, right? So this is the way we can loop an object and get the values. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.